Hi, I'm Joe.
Hi, I'm Anick, unique
So-
Anick.
Anick, tell us about why you're facilitating at Lovefest.
Lovefest, I'm a fan. The philosophy and the values of that festival that really resonate with my heart and soul. It's all about community, bringing good conscious people together, bringing professional facilitators together as well to share their medicine, share their own sacred self-expression. You're making new friends that are, aligned with you, sharing similar values, similar interests. The energy behind it and the team, it's just a phenomenal team of volunteers who are highly qualified on a conscious path with, they all have very specific skills and they share that. So it's a very generous event. It really open and soften your heart. I'm a real fan of Lovefest. I truly believe in the concept, and I've been to a few of them, and I highly recommend you join the November 1, 11.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Thank you, Anick. That's so nice to hear. Would you like to share a little bit about what you're contributing?
I can share a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a bit of a teaser. I'm gonna be contributing a voice activation workshop. And the theme for this workshop will be activating, transmitting about your feminine side and your masculine energy. And the benefits for you to be there, really what you're going to receive out of that gain is powerful tools to communicate better your heart's desire, your desires, communicate better, clearer. And it's going to improve your relationship with yourself and your relationship with your beloved, your friends, your colleagues. So I highly recommend you join the voice activation on a Saturday afternoon at 3.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Anick. I'm really looking forward to that and excited to see you all at 11:11.
Can't wait.
Bye.
Bye for now.